Okay, so we talked a lot about what are solutions and what are some factors that might affect solutions. The last thing that we need to talk about is how do we measure them and how do we express them. So there's a lot of ways, but in general, concentration is what we call when we measure solutions. And it's always a ratio of the amount of solute per amount of solvent, or per amount of solution, actually, better said. So concentration is always the ratio of amount of solute per amount of solution. In chemistry, one of the units that we use is called molarity, which is moles of solute per liters of solution. And this is from lesson 5. Few things to remember. So this is the equation. If you're given in grams, you need to use the molar mass from the periodic table to convert to moles before you plug it in here. Also, if you're given mLs, you need to convert to liters before plugging it in here. Remember, there are 1000 mLs in a liter, or there is 0.01 liters in an ml, so you need to do those conversions before you plug it into this equation. And then lastly, from lesson 6, we talked about parts per, and this is very commonly used for environmental science because a lot of water quality, air quality, it's all measured parts per. So there's different ones. Percent is 1 part solute per 100 parts solution, and is expressed as a percentage sign. Per million is 1 part solute per 1 million parts solution, and is expressed as ppm. Per billion is 1 part solute per 1 billion parts solution, and is expressed as ppb. Per trillion is 1 part solute per 1 trillion parts solution, and is expressed as ppt. As you can see, the numbers 1 divided by 100, 1 divided by a million, so on, are really small numbers, okay? And as you get smaller as it moves this way, so really small numbers, but we use them quite a bit. It's because there's a lot of molecules that are extremely potent and extremely toxic, so we need to measure and express in those ways so we can compare them. For example, arsenic is extremely toxic. To kill an adult human being, you only need 25 parts per billion. So 25 ppm usually kills an adult human being. So very, very, very small amounts. And that's why the EPA has regulations on water quality and air quality. And they list the number of toxins and they express them in ppb, ppm, or ppt. Okay, and that's from lesson 6. So for your quiz, it's going to be lessons 1 through 6. As you can see, I focused a lot on lesson 3 to 5. So I would make sure that I have those down. If you have any questions, make sure that you attend office hours on Wednesday or Thursday. Your quiz is going to be Thursday.